What I'm making today is the simplest mac and cheese ever. I use elbows. It's already been on a timer for 5 minutes. I have 3 more minutes left, which means it's been boiling for 8 minutes. That's when I take it out. I use the 8 minutes for the elbows. Here is about 15 slices of white American cheese. First, the water comes to a boil, then I put in the cheese. So we got 3 minutes. This is the simplest mac and cheese ever. It is loved by everybody in my family. When my family members come back from college, first thing they ask me is, can you make us your mac and cheese? Now, mind you, I have cooked the mac and cheese that goes in the oven from every famous chef because I like mac and cheese. I've always loved mac and cheese, but I've made it the more, like, you're putting a lot more effort into it. And, excuse me, and when I had kids, I noticed they didn't like it. So I figured, okay, let me try to make a simpler mac and cheese. I'll just put American cheese, see how it comes out. So this is boiled water, and I would say this is a small heater. I fill it. You can see the water in it. I would say it's about a cup and a half of water. You can use less. You actually don't have to use that much. About a cup and a half of water, and oh, here we go. We're on the countdown. Boil the water. Once the water's boiling, add the cheese. But the problem is, you want to make sure the water boils first for the pasta. Do this second. This first, this second. This has to boil for 8 minutes. This boils quite rapidly. Of course, look at the size of the. So get the pasta done, and then you could start. I did it. I shut it off. I boiled it, shut it off, and let it sit while this is going. And then in about 3 minutes, I turn this back on, boil the water a little more, and then add the cheese. We got 8 minutes. 8 seconds. Down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. So the elbows, they're the elbows. I let it boil for 8 minutes. I'm going to put this right here. 9, 10. Can you see anything else? Okay. We're going to drain the pasta. I am draining the pasta. I'm using this spoon to drain the pasta. I need 2 hands. I apologize. I need 2 hands. So what I'm doing is, I'm shutting the timer off. That's what I'm doing. What I'm doing is I'm moving about the pasta to get any extra moisture out that's hiding within the elbows. I'm going to put you back here for a minute. This is the brand that I use. I'm not getting any promotional anything from that company or any other company for that matter. And I don't know, you can see, I don't know what's being held back. There you go. Hold on. Hope it doesn't fall. If it falls, I apologize. I am now putting the elbows back into the stock pot. There it is. Now watch. This is going to foam. I let this boil until it's like foamy. Stir it gently. That's about 15 slices of white American cheese. You can also use yellow American cheese. This is the fastest mac and cheese ever. Wait, watch until it rises, and then you'll see what I do. I switch hands. See how it's rising? I'm shutting it off now, and I'm pouring in the sauce. That is it. That is it. Now, generally, I would scoop out any excess. Let me see. Because my kids love the cheese. There you go. Keep mixing. There is no salt in this. Why? Cheese has its own salt. You don't need to add. You don't need to add any more. To me, you don't need to add any more. If you want, you can add more salt. 3 ingredients: water, elbows, and I used white American Land O'Lakes cheese, and my family loves it. Everybody loves it. Even reheating it is delicious. And that's what's for lunch on today is a little chilly. It's going to warm up, but that's for lunch on Friday, April 18th. A nice, warm bowl of mac and cheese. Bon appetit. Enjoy.